What's up, guys, and welcome back to, actually not welcome back, welcome to the first ever episode of TechBois here on the TechBois YouTube channel. My name is Luigi, and today we're going to be doing a little unboxing and first impressions of a phone case. So this phone case, I've been looking forward to it. We got it a few weeks ago in the studio, and I haven't had a chance to actually unbox it yet, so I'm very excited to use this. And for anyone who knows of everything Apple Pro, then you will know what we're doing, so move that away. This is the Rebel series case from Phone Rebel, which is Philips from everything Apple Pro's brand on here, which is super dope. I'm very excited to try this out. I have actually not opened it more than just seeing what the package was. I was confused with what it was in the mail. So I'm very excited to use this. So I have my iPhone right here. I have a cheap casemate case on here that I pre-ordered before the phone was even a thing. And I got it for like 20 bucks. So I'm very excited to do this. Let's just get right into it. I'm excited. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna open this guy up, maybe. And then let's do the big money shot reveal. Ooh! I like the packaging a lot, actually. So you guys can tell that's carbon fiber on it. Oh, that's very soft. Carbon fiber. And as you guys know, for anyone who does watch his videos, if not, his design is not having a sides. So a lot of phone cases will have sides like these on them. And on here, he actually got rid of them because it's been shown in drop tests that most phones drop either here, here, or like that. And so having that exposed sides actually can show off the beauty of the phone on top of doing anything else. So I am very excited. And isn't this also, I think this also has a magnet inside of it too for like magnet stuff. So I'm very excited to try that out and see how strong it is. Sad I don't have anything magnet in the office right now, but I'll buy one of those magnet things to let you guys know how it works. But let's just get right into it. I just want to take this guy off and let's do it. So here's the old case I used to use, casemate. Again, 20 bucks. It's done very well. So, and most people have a screen protector on their phone anyways. So sorry it has fingerprints on it and stuff. But let's just put this guy in. Very nice. Okay, I actually have to give it props. I didn't think it was going to be as heavy as what I thought it was going to be. So, in general, I'm actually a big fan of these exposed sides. This feels really nice in the hand because you get to feel the craftsmanship of what Apple does on here, and these are very smooth sides and stuff like that. So not having those on there, this is actually, I have a little bit of a better grip on here than I do on this guy right here, because everything on here is more of a plasticky rubber. The carbon fiber feels amazing. I think this is going to be an amazing design. The only thing I have to check now is, does my anchor cord work with it? Like a glove. Perfect. That means that third-party accessories are going to be able to be used on this case, which is super amazing. It has raised edges on those right there. There we go. Look at that. Raised edges. That looks very good, which means if this phone would drop out of my hand front-faced, it's not going to go on the screen directly, and also, too, it's not going to have that much wiggle room. Because if you take this off, you can spin your phone. On here, you can't really spin it, so you know that it's doing something. So I'm very excited for this, but also there is more stuff in here too, by the way. So let's move this to the side right now. Let's open up this little packaging right here. So Philip also included I'm very surprised, which is super cool, a screen protector, which is super dope, which I actually, I actually scratched this one. So eventually, whenever I have time to replace the screen protector on there, I'll be able to use the one on here. But if I am correct, there's also a few other little goodies in here as well. So you have the little stickers on here. And these are used on the phone itself. So if you don't like having these be super exposed, you can use the 3M tape to put on here for more grip. So that's super fun as well. And then you also have your little installer stuff for the screen protector as well. So you have your dust magnet, not dust magnet, your dust remover sticker, and also a microfiber cloth with an alcohol swab. So I believe this was $40 if I'm right. I think this was 40 bucks, and then his other series, which is the Crystal and Frosted series, I believe those are 30. So I did pay a little bit more for the carbon fiber, but just the design. I have never seen a design like this, hardly ever. I might have seen something on it, maybe like YouTube or something like that. That's not like Philip at all, or something on like AliExpress or something. But other than that, this is the first time I've ever seen something that has really exposed sides and is really more about protecting the bumpers and stuff like that. So this is just the first look on this in the first use. So I'm gonna use this for a few weeks, and on the next episode of the TechBois podcast, the next time that we do it, so it'll be episode 2, I will actually give a little update on this, on how I like it. And I have DJ behind the camera right now, and he is actually going to have a little time with this too whenever we work together again, and so he can feel it and stuff like that and see how he likes it. I think this is actually a really, really nice case. I don't think it's heavy at all. I think it actually is a tiny bit lighter than this casemate case. It might be a little bit heavier because of the magnet, but in general though, going from this to this, I mean, you spend a little bit more money, but that design though, you can't beat that design at all. So I'm very excited to use this. Philip, I'm very excited for this case. I know you've been working very hard on this, and I know that the virus has delayed this thing so badly, but I'm very excited to use this. You know, this is gonna be a really fun little experience. So whenever I get everything kind of set up in that type of stuff, we'll have fun with it. But here's everything that comes in, just so you guys can kind of see it all together. This is all what comes in the case. So if you guys don't have a screen protector at all, it's great. So you get the, actually wait, there we go. So you get the case itself, screen protector, the little glide stickers, and this. So everything all inside the little box. And the box is also super, super eco-friendly as well. He put only the stuff that is needed in there, so that also saves on packaging, which is a super big thing, helping save the environment. It means a lot to all of us. So what do you guys think about the case? Let me know in the comments below. I'm very excited to see what you guys really think about it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. It really does mean a lot. And also follow me on my personal YouTube channel, The Luigi Master 1000, or you can also find me on Twitch. You just look up The Luigi Master 1000 and come say hi over on the stream. And thank you guys for watching the TechBois YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos, and also hit that notification bell as well too, so you're notified when we upload, because you want to know when we're uploading, right?